Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe for latest notifications so that you will never miss my any video. The history of agriculture in India dates back to its Indian Valley civilization. India lies second largest in farm output. India is an agriculture based country. In the recent years since independence, India has immense progress toward achieving food security. The population has tripled but the supply chain is less. Crops yield in India are still just 30 to 60%. Where there is a production, also farmer has to face highest level of loss. So here the question arises that how India can boom its agriculture sector and get modernized. So let's find it out. Number 1. Improving access to credit technology and market. Agriculture scientists should have studied the performance of new varieties and technologies in terms of income per hectare and in terms of yield per hectare. For this, the biotechnology should merge to put some new advanced technology to educate farmers for growing organic. Biotechnology, meanwhile, can equip growers with new techniques to develop high-yield crops. In the same way, the target farmers helps to connect with the marketplace too. A kind of a cold storage is also a best option for the new growing farming, where a new techniques and biotechnology can merge together and can have a good type of a production for future purpose. Providing financial covers and credit insurance. The government should provide the financial cover when there is a loss in the farming due to climatic change or any other kinds of a change. The cover benefit should be given to farmers when they are in need to purchase some new inputs such as seed, fertilizer, agriculture, land, etc. Finance can make the purchase more easier, where it can allow the farmers to cover the land cost. It allows to refinance the older loan. Financial cover and credit insurance is the most important thing which government should plan for the better security of the farmers. Number 3. Strong network and distribution chain system. The explosion of e-business activity presents many challenges to manufacturer, distributor and dealers. As they select a distributor channel, farmer as if in the company set up their manufacturing plant in rural-based sector for food marketing and connects farmer to create a new kind of an employment to cultivate and sell them into the market. So a chain system will create an employment too. Building a strong network in a farming and a good chain system will provide an employability to the farmers for the long-term basis. Number 4. Soil health enhancement. Agriculture university research institution like Krishi Vigyan Kendra all should aim to increase the productivity and the potential for the soil compared to micro and macrobiology. The farming areas need to have a particular attention. Soil health is a state of soil meeting in a range of ecosystem function. So, appropriate to its environment, it is very necessary to do a soil testing in a laboratory so that it can lead to the changes in production with terms of crop measurement. Soil health testing is very necessary for maintaining the productivity of the crops. Number 5. Educating the farmers for future agriculture. Educating for farmers plays an important role to understand the concept for the future farming. Right fertilizer with modernized technique can improve the production of crops in off-season too. So, education related to farming and the required changes can lead to a greater production and increase in the productivity of agriculture. So that's all for today. If you like my video, do share and subscribe, and don't forget to share your feedback always on the comment section. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.